Hello and welcome to this fascinating report on the unidentified flying object UFO that crashed in the tropical rainforest of Yunke Rio Grande, Puerto Rico, and one extraterrestrial survivor on December 12, 2001. A group of Puerto Rican farmers and local residents were alerted to the sound of a massive explosion in the jungle. As they rushed to investigate, they found what they believed to be a UFO crash site. The object was a large, glowing metallic disc with a distinctive triangular pyramid shape. As they examined the site, they found that the UFO had been destroyed by some kind of force, leaving behind what appeared to be a living creature. The creature was approximately 3 to 4 feet tall and had glowing green skin. It was not moving and was lying on the ground, seemingly dead. The local residents reported seeing a second object fly overhead just before the explosion. It was a small glowing object that looked like a spaceship. The residents believed that the creature was the only survivor of the incident. The news of the UFO crash and the extraterrestrial survivor quickly spread throughout the region, drawing the attention of local authorities and experts. The authorities took samples of the creature for scientific examination, but no significant evidence was found, despite the lack of conclusive evidence. The incident remains one of the most talked about and mysterious UFO incidents in Puerto Rico's history. Some believe that the creature may have survived the incident due to its advanced technology, while others believe that it was merely an unidentified animal or insect that was damaged by the explosion. In the end, the fate of the extraterrestrial survivor remains a mystery. While it is impossible to confirm the existence of extraterrestrial life, the incident continues to fascinate and intrigue people from all walks of life. Thank you for watching this report on the unidentified flying object that crashed in the tropical rainforest of Yunke Rio Grande, Puerto Rico, and one extraterrestrial survivor